Hi, the weather is getting cooler. Drinking a little hot soup at this time warms the stomach the most. Morchella chicken soup is a great choice. First, soak the dried morels in warm water for 30分钟 use in advance. Hot pan bottom oil. Put in 1 shot of 3 refrigerator ginger slices. Enter the old chicken again. Fry the chicken skin over high heat until slightly charred. The chicken soup will be more rich and delicious this way. Put all the ingredients in the pot. Don't waste water with too much sun. After precipitation, pour most of it in. Boil over high heat. Skim the foam. Put a few prickly ash to add flavor. Open the lid. Simmer on low heat for 60到90分钟. Use. Add salt to your taste before serving. You can enjoy a rich and sweet chicken soup here. You can choose to drink it directly, or like me, you can dunk rice in soup. This is my childhood memory. Good food is sometimes simple. Except for delicious chicken soup. Memories may also have added a lot of points for me. I am the freezer. Remember to blanch first. Then take it back.